Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Ford Ranger today, and this is 2017 model. We removed its original screen, original head unit, and installed Android screen. Here you can see it's QLED screen, very beautiful display and resolution with Apple Carplay and wireless, both wireless Android Auto and Apple Carplay. Here you can see right now my iPhone is connected. Here are my iPhone applications that are available here. It is all functional with original buttons, steering, even the climate control is also working. You can see all information. Here we have the Apple CarPlay apps that I have on my mobile phone, so I will go back here back. So you can see we have some other applications, for example App Store, aux, Bluetooth music, calculator, CarLink, Chrome, equalizer, fan, some other applications that all Android units have. We have it in this unit as well. Plus this car has this entertainment and navigation screen. This one is not working because we removed its original system. Here you will not see any kind of information, but steering wheel buttons and all other things are working like this. You can see I can adjust the steering wheel and everything from here. So we installed a back camera as well with this car. If your car has no back camera or you have problem with the back camera, you can contact us. We will provide the OEM type back camera. So that's the Android screen that we have installed in the car. So this is the Ford Ranger, and I think it's the same like the Ford F-150 as well. If you need any kind of multimedia unit or any head unit for your car, or you want to upgrade the head unit, you can contact us. This was the original head unit and original screens that we have removed from the car. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask us in the description below. So that's the video for today. See you next time. Bye bye.